Alright, y'all, this is what my hair looks like. I didn't think the elephant was still in the room, but I had somebody comment on my last natural hair video, what happened to your hair, girl? So last year when I was wearing clip-ins, it basically broke my hair off, and now I had to trim my hair. I probably lost about 4 inches of hair, which is why I haven't been doing a lot of natural hair videos, because my feelings was hurt that my hair was broke. So anyway, this is my hair now. I semi-straightened it for this hair tutorial that I'm doing today. And when I say semi-straighten, I literally blow dried my entire head and maybe like put the flat iron through it in 8 big chunks. So I didn't like flat iron it small chunk by small chunk. I just wanted it a little bit flatter than just straight up blow dry my hair. And then there's just bumps in it because I tested out this hairstyle first. So we're doing a low sleek bun. So we're gonna start off by making sure our part in the middle is like parted and in the middle. And this ain't like my traditional quality tutorial, but I wanted to record it because I think it's gonna come out good. I'm gonna do like the braiding girlies and take a little bit of my edge fixer to help me really define this part and make sure there's no flyaways. Okay, so I think that's gonna be my middle part. So I watched a couple YouTube tutorials and I think I know how to do this. So I'm just parting this front portion of my hair like this, and then we're gonna just twist it off. Same with the other side. So we got those 2 sections out the way, and now we just have this back portion. I'm gonna try to zoom y'all out just a touch. And so she basically, if I can find the video, I'll link it. She just kind of parted this lower back half. And she basically combed it into a low bun. But as she was doing this, she was using this Got To Be Glue spray wax. And she said using this gives it more of a natural feel than like the straight up hard hair from the regular Got To Be Glue. And I have my blow dryer so I can like blow dry it and mold it. So I'm just gonna, I can't even see, so I'm just gonna do this. Cause that's what she did. And then I'm gonna comb it, mold it like that. And then I'm gonna get my blow dryer. Okay, so it's a little harder. You gotta keep holding it. So, as you blow drying it. So, I'm gonna just do a second coat, just to then I'm gonna put a hair tie on it. And I'm putting such a big one on it because she takes this ponytail out after she lays the rest of the hair down. So this is not going to remain on here. This is just for smoothing purpose. So I'm gonna go back and I'm just make sure it's laid. And then she just keep moving up the back of the head. Okay, we smooth. Or at least I hope so. So the higher she got, she started splitting the sides, I guess, so she could focus on one side at a time. So we gonna do that. Okay, how we looking? Now we're gonna do this piece right here. And the only reason why I pulled it out is because, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's curly towards the base, because like I said, I didn't flat iron my hair. So I'm just taking my flat iron and getting right up there at the root to make sure it's straight. Because that is what is going to be seen. And I'm just go ahead and put it like that. And then what we're going to do is spray it. And we're going to comb it back. Okay, so now that we have all of this flat, I'm gonna go up under here and take out this ponytail holder, and then I'm gonna put it all in one. And I'm putting it down at the nape of my neck, and you gotta be careful that you don't pull too much back here. Like, make sure your little kitchen is not strapped up in this ponytail. But I'm putting it all the way down there so the bun isn't like up here sticking off my head. Hopefully that's molded all nicely. I ain't shy to the spray, so I'm gonna make sure I saturate it again, and just use my, I know the hairstylist love a comb, but I love me a good brush. So, boom, got that laid down. So now we gotta do the front pieces. So, you want to pull out your baby hairs. So that's my baby hairs. I know it looks straggly. So now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna whisk it back. Get to the front, I'm gonna split it in half this way. And I'm also gonna press the part that's at the part. I'm gonna press the center. Now if you did like me and put edge control there, be careful straightening it, because obviously that product is still in your hair. Because I want this side to stay flat, I'm going to just take a smaller rubber band and add it to the ponytail at the back. Okay. I know that looks terrible, right? I have cowlicks. Wow, that looks really bald like this. I have cowlicks, and I've always had like my hair is not dense, so I don't have a lot of hair on my head, even though it be looking like it when I have afros. And no one ever believes me, but this is a great example of like how not dense my hair is. Like the sides of my head have always been like this thick, which is why if I do jumbo braids, I'm like, this literally is one braid. But for someone who might have dense hair, it might be 4. But people don't be believing me. Okay, so again, I'm gonna take a regular hair oil and put that hair through it. And so now we got a sleek back, and then this is my pony. So I guess I could do the baby hairs. Matter of fact, before I do my baby hairs, I'm gonna go in with the other Got To Be glue spray, because since that's a hard hold, we really want this secure. Okay, so we got the Big Body Freeze spray. So once I get my baby hairs like laid how I want it, then I'll spray it. So this is Expressions 52-inch ultra braid, pre-stretched, pre-layered hair. And it is giving very much brown, which is why I'm gonna mix it, because the top of my hair is more black than brown. And I'm gonna take the rubber band off, but you don't wanna break it because we're gonna use that to secure the hair with my ponytail. So I'm literally just parting the hair like this and blending it together like the braiders do. I'm new to this, not true to this, because I ain't never blend no hair in my life. That is what they do. So we got all this hair. I'm gonna get my brush and brush it out. Okay, well, it might not be the best blend on planet Earth, but it's gonna do. So now I'm gonna take that rubber band and put it back like so, like that. And we're gonna take this and put it around my ponytail. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'll put it back on. But take this and put it around my ponytail, around my hair. Okay. So now we got my hair in the cake line here. And this is a lot of hair, I ain't gonna lie. So, oh babe. So what I'm gonna try to do is cover my hair. First of all, let's try to get a little brush action in here. Okay. Then we're gonna take out a little section so we can wrap the front. So I'm gonna just clamp this to my robe. And so now what you want to do is get your hair like in the middle, and then we're just gonna twist. And as we're twisting, we're putting my hair in the middle. My battery is about to die, so hopefully it lasts. So I'm just twisting. As if it's a Bantu knot. brush out this end. Okay, I'm sorry for the switch in location, but the battery died and I didn't want to let go of the hair so I could finish the bun. So I'm still just twisting up underneath. And then as I get towards the end, I'm gonna bobby pin it. So I'm gonna stick a bobby pin. Ooh. So we got a bobby pin in there and then just wrapping the excess up under. So now we're back at using this piece, which this piece is just gonna be used, hopefully y'all can see me. This piece is just gonna be used to like cover that top, which it should be already covered for the most part. So we laid the baby hairs down and hopefully y'all will be able to see my bun. How'd I do? I'll show y'all the other side. How'd I do?
Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.